Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tilt effects to your videos in CapCut. So here I've already imported a clips, and what you need to do is just go to the start of your clip and then add keyframe and zoom in the clip like this and put the object of the video to the top like this. Okay, and then after that go to the end of the clip, add another keyframe, and now put the clip like this. Okay, and now this will be the result. It will have like a slightly tilt effect to the clip. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And don't forget to click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.